Hello my dear followers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I show my experiences on mechanical and electrical system of vehicles, trucks, and different car models. In this video I show how to inspect and maintain valve train mechanism, heavy-duty 6-cylinder inline diesel engine. If you see coolant bubbling in your radiator, hard starting, or loss of power, your valve train or cylinder head might be the problem. Today, I'll show how to inspect and service a 6-cylinder diesel engine valve train the correct way from cleaning to valve adjustment. Before we dive into the process, let me subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon that you never miss my videos as soon as I release. Heavy-duty diesel engine valve train service and adjustment step by step. This is a quick professional guide for inspection, valve grinding, lapping, installing seals, refitting the head, bolt torque sequence, and final valve adjustment. Cleaning is the first step to any maintenance process that all dirt and dust must be removed from the parts and surroundings. After removing the cylinder head, clean carbon deposits, oil sludge, and gasket surfaces. Use a wire brush, air pressure, and solvent. The valve seats, ports, and camshaft area must be perfectly clean before inspection. The next step is removing valves using a spring compressor. Check stems for wear, cracks, Inspect valve guides for excessive clearance. If the valve wobbles inside the guide, you need replacement or machining. After removal of valves from the cylinder head, clean, inspect, and send it to special machine shop if not accessed by your repair shop to refix worn angles using valve grinder. Then apply lapping paste and rotate the valve against its seat until you see a smooth, even gray contact line. This ensures perfect sealing and compression. You must fit new valve stem seals to prevent oil leakage into the combustion chamber. Reinsert each valve, compress springs, and lock retainers. Every valve must move freely with no sticking. Remounting cylinder head. Before remounting of cylinder head, place a new head gasket. Gently lower the head. Always clean bolt holes to prevent false torque reading. Torque sequence and stages torque cylinder head bolts in sequence from center outward. Use 3 stages. First pass, low torque.
Okay.
Second pass, manufacturer torque, final angle tightening if required. Following sequence prevents head warping and future leakage. Valve adjustment. Rotate engine to TDC of each cylinder. Use feeler gauge to adjust intake and exhaust clearance. Proper gap prevents misfire, hard starting, and loss of power. Repeat the process until all valves are correctly adjusted. After tightening of cylinder head and rocker arm assembly, it is the technician's preference to either adjust valves first or assemble all the external engine components such as fuel high-pressure lines, manifolds, cooling duct, and others. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.